What's good, yo? What's good? Good morning. Oh my gosh, here we go, bro. This motherfucker said I'm doing any giveaways today. You don't even care about me, bro. You just care about my connections, bro. You don't even care about me. Bro just wants my fundeds, dude. Crazy. Um, yeah, we'll see. I'm already fucking breaded up this week. I can't lie. So, yeah, maybe we will. Let me see here. I'm gonna quickly. Um, Damn, this motherfucker in Paris, boy. I'm trying to do all that shit. What the fuck? Hold on, give me one sec. Um, we're live, by the way. Go Brewers. Fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Dude. Wow. What a game yesterday, dude. What a game. That was insane. Um, live on Twitch. That game was so crazy yesterday. Um, Twitch.tv/fullport. Nah, I think it's Steph Trades with two Z's. Okay, bang. All right, that is up. Cool. Step one out of the way. Sorry, should have done that before the stream. My dog. Oh my god, dude. I'm dropping my dog off today at my mom's house. Let's go. I'm so excited, bro. Cannot wait for a little vacay from that thing. Holy crap, she is just such a pain in my ass. But I love her so much. She's just such a queen. Um, Fudge, how do I get the link for this? If I just go. Sorry, give me one sec. I really got to start doing this shit before I start streaming. I guess we don't have a trade yet, so. I just won 3 months of Duolingo Plus from watching your stream. What the hell? Dude, hell yeah, bro. Bro's about to get lingual on us, bro. I actually have Duolingo Plus for like a year. Um, cause I'm supposed to go to France soon, and I'm trying to learn French. Okay, let me just quickly add everyone on Discord real quick. All right, thank you. That is over. Cool. Bang. Okay. What's up? What's up, DJ? What is going on? What's good, boys? What's good? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm up so far this week through Sunday night, Sunday night, Monday morning, and Tuesday night. No, Sunday night, Sunday morning. No, Sunday night, Monday morning, Monday night, and well, I guess that's all I've gone through right now. I'm up 11,000 across everything. Pretty happy. Like yeah, I'm doing pretty. I'm excited. So I'm not really. I won't jump the gun today, but I will say in celebration of gold, I will crack my Red Bull. GG. We finally hit 4,000 on gold, which is like we just hit it, like a crazy wow. Like that is insane. I mean, I know you guys don't care, and I don't really care either. But like, wow, that's huge for us. Like that's a big milestone. So, and as we completely stiff arm reject up off of it, I was really close to looking at some longs coming in, rejecting off of that 4,000 area, but we're obviously still underneath it. So we got 2 more minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We're gonna quickly go to Forex Factory and see if we can get something out of this. Pretty light news day all around. Nothing we really need to avoid. We have FOMC stuff at 10 o'clock, which if we are in a trade at that point, again, I'm not going to stop because of it, but we'll try to avoid it, but not a big deal even if we are. Tentative news, whatever, none of this shit matters. So pretty open and free range today. Once again, there's nothing that's going to change my bias, so I'm probably just going to continue trading how I normally would, which is long. So I coded a bot in middle school to automatically do my Duolingos for me. Wow, that's insane. You're a smart kid, bro. In a celebration, you should do a huge giveaway. All right, I actually care. This dude, bro. All you care about is my fundings, bro. All you care. Why? You never ask how I'm doing, bro. You just ask for what my giveaways are. Again, I can't. I like you. I can't. I can't just give. I mean, I could, but like, what's the fun in that? Let me quickly. I need to go let my dog outside because she just likes to sit on the porch. Would you recommend your mentoring if I only want to trade crypto? No, not at all. I don't. I will not. I just don't. That's not my field at all, bro. Like, I'm just being honest. Like, no. Crypto's, look, man. I'm not gonna hate, bro. However you're making money, you can make money. I'm like, that's totally fine. It's just not my specialty. Just looking at it from my perspective, like, for the longest time, again, I've dabbled into it because, you know, everybody kind of has at this point, but I make plenty of money just trading. Normally what I do, that's a lot of things. Like, when I saw a lot of people switch from, like, when crypto is going crazy, from doing whatever they're doing now to switching fully to crypto, it's like, bro, like, I thought you were making really good money trading. Like, why would you? In my position, I can't afford to just, like, stop doing that. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, you know, I'm already too deep into this where it's just like, this is the best way for me to risk my money. But like, I don't get the hype, bro. Like, respectfully, bro, and it's like, I know ball, like, I keep up to date with it, but like, bro, what the fuck, what does Bitcoin do, bro? Like, what are we so confident that it's going to do, man? Like, it just does not make any sense to me, bro. Like, I would rather, like, you can do more with a literal dollar bill than a Bitcoin right now, bro. Like, it's just like, I just don't get, like, what are we really valuing out of this? But, you know, that shit only goes up, bro. Like, I'm all for people making money, bro, but, like, can someone please, like, either explain to me or agree with me, like, what the fuck what is the purpose of Bitcoin, bro? And when will it ever have a purpose? I just don't. Devam, yo, it's good, bro. First time in the chat, what's good, man? I need to quickly pull up the stream summary. Nope, this is not the right one. Stream manager, I think this is it. John M, follow. Thank you so much. Subscribe to earn drops. Get rewards by purchasing or gifting subscriptions to Steph's Trades channel while they're live on any category. Well, I guess if you subscribe to me right now, you get yeah, whoa. All right, well, I mean, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, you get 3 months of Duolingo. Okay. Well, if anybody is interested in slap me with a subscribe, I guess you get 3 months of Duolingo. If you guys are ever feeling like you want to get a little bit, Bitcoin is a hustle. It goes up and down. That's it. What if I'm already subbed? I have no idea. Maybe. But I guess if you subscribe, you get 3 months of Duolingo. If anybody wants that. If you're already subbed, I have no idea. King Chunky, thank you for following me on Twitch, and White Hawk and Spoken. Thank you. And John M, thank you. Shorts off this zone, GC looks free. I don't know if you should be short at all time highs, my guy. A little bit suspect. Might be an NQ type of day, bro. Never mind. I actually I like how NQ's moving right now. But yeah, let me quickly flex on you real quick. Last night we took a trade on gold. Did I not? Is this it right here? Monday? Yep, this is it. Beautiful entry. Let me get all this shit out of the way. While we wait for an entry, let me quickly pull this alert up for you guys so I can show you, because I can obviously help you make some money with this. GC longs here. Bang. Alright, so boom. This is the alert. At 8:06, let me close that. At 8:06, we took this GC long. You guys see right here. Right off of this, I think it was a 5-minute candle close. I actually got a late entry on this. So you see how we took this at 8:06? The actual entry is at 8:05. Now, usually in the afternoon, I really wouldn't be trading like this, or I guess early in the morning, just because, I mean, volume wouldn't be this low, but pretty bullish price action. We see a big buy up. We break this high. We come back down. We retrace. We hold up this EMA. Candle closes slightly red, you know, whatever, nothing really. This candle closes green back above. Again, doesn't really show us anything here. Just still waiting to see that clear direction of what we could be doing moving forward. Big sell off, breaks this low, buys all the way back up, closes back above the EMA. At that point, the candle closed. Should have gotten it right there. Price sold off a little bit. We jumped in right here, got a better entry for it. Stop loss is at this low, TP was at this high. We banged that. So super, 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 super lit. That was super fun. I'm super glad we took that trade. I don't think we've lost the. I don't think we lost a trade this week. But I guess the YM trade. But fuck, that does not count, bro. That was just like, for banter, bro. That does not count. Okay, wait. 50 seconds left on this. I don't mind longs. I actually really like longs here. We might look for a retest. Wow, yeah. Hell no. Okay, so we're going to look for a retest here. A slight retracement on gold. I need to get a new hat today. Yeah, I was more so thinking the techniques from stocks would cross over to crypto since it's all charts by, I guess, not law. I mean, yes, but it's just, you're not trading NQ today? I might. I don't know yet. I'm really, I have like a, I don't know if you guys probably hear it. I'm like, I think I'm sick, but whatever. I won't be streaming Thursday or Friday. Hopefully not Friday anyways, because we don't, you know, that obviously means we got a good week, but I'm gonna be in Arizona on Thursday. Actually, I think I will be streaming on Thursday. I think it'll be Thursday afternoon. I'm gonna be in Arizona to go see my girlfriend, so what's up, Army? What broker do I use? I use Project X on Tradeify, but if you don't have Project X, I would recommend Tradeivate. Tradeavate's goated. But yeah, once again, guys, I'm literally racking in all of because Tradeify. Like any other firm, I'm not. By the way, there's 82 people in here. What's good, boys? Good morning. The only reason why I'm up so much on the week already is because of Tradeify. I mean, and again, we're partners, you know, like that. Those are my guys. I got them, which I don't know how they're gonna feel. Like I'm, if I get these accounts to the payout requirement, I take a payout, like it's gonna be fat, bro. They might not like me after that. But anyways, I literally, these accounts that I got, I'm instantly funded. So all of this money that I'm making right now would normally be for my eval, and I would just be grinding, trying to pass the eval. But bro, I'm already funded instantly. So if you guys do want to fund an account with Tradeify, I would recommend the instant funding. They have other stuff, but like that's like, bro, they're the only firm that offers that in the future space, to my knowledge. Dude, the accounts are fire. The rules are fire. I'd highly recommend it. Code Steph is the way. What size instant funders are you buying? I have 5 150K accounts. So this week, I think I'm up like 2,200 on them each. Bro, that would all be towards an eval right now. But dude, since it's literally, and think about this, bro. If you guys can pass accounts, you never can get funded. Theoretically, if you were to get an instant funding account, that would be like your eval phase, and you would technically pass it. But if you did technically pass it, it would be real money, and then you can take a payout. Code Steph. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow. Just because like I'm not trading right now. I mean, I'm gonna try and take a trade, and this isn't, by the way, we're not in this. I'm gonna try to take a trade, but I already traded. Like I already locked myself out of those Tradeify accounts because I didn't. Do you trade on Project X? Yes, I do. Yes, because Tradeify just dropped Project X. So, you buy anything during Prime days? What is that? Is that like you something like Amazon? Morning, what's up, Tina? Good morning. Amazon Prime? What is Prime days? Any thoughts on interactive brokers? I mean, I've heard a lot of the Canadians, you have to use it. So I haven't personally used it, but like there's been Canadian people that recommend or like ask me what brokerage. I always just say that. But Army, I don't know whatever brokerage you use, you should hit him up and tell him to use it, because my mod Army, he's a what are you? Yeah, Winnipeg, I think. Winnipegian, I think. I have knowledge on trading, but I don't know what's the first step into getting a real account. Can you explain? Well, theoretically, you shouldn't get a real account. You should get a funded account, which you would just go to a prop firm and buy one. I would recommend Tradify because, of course, but it's not a big deal. You literally just go to a prop firm account. You create an account. You buy one. They give you a password. You go to that website. You plug that shit in, and you have an account. But the best way to do is code Steph on Tradify. Candle, yo? Yeah, I'm looking for longs here. I'm trying to think, like, there's Interactive Brokers, there's Tradovate. Like, what does Interactive Brokers even look like? I didn't know we're in a rush. Enjoying the moment so hush. My album is paying the bills. I don't even need a deluxe. The stomach is flat as fuck. Yeah, I'm looking to get it longs here. I don't even answer what's up. She's saying that shit is natural. I don't care if she making it up. I never put you in no Uber, girl. I'm always gonna sing you a truck. I'm trading on my phone. I'm always gonna keep it a buck. You give me that shit and I'm sorry. I don't know if I like this camera, bro. I do. I should honestly be in right now. We're just gonna wait for this guy to close. Elite music taste? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Very sweet. What's that reset? I am. I mean, I think I'm just gonna get in right here. I'm just gonna jump in right here. We already got the entry. I don't know what I'm sitting back for. 8-point stop. We're gonna go normal size. Stop loss there. 3.7 stop. Sorry, I need to alert this in the Discord. Join the Discord if you're not in there already. GC long. Let's catch all-time highs with. Get ready with me to catch all-time highs today. I'm in at 0.0. I'm in at 0.001.7. Oh, okay, I'm like 0. Where's the 1.7? 3.7 stop. I didn't get no finder's fee. You're acting like a bride to be. Behind closed doors, sliming me. Friends all advising me. Theoretically, we should have our stop at this low. But I'm not running an 8-point stop. You got me fucked up. So we're just running a full size, a little bit tighter stop. Probably just gonna look for a 1-to-1 out of this 3.7. Still, what I really like about that is we don't have to go to all-time highs to hit our TP, and we're gonna hit TP. Hold up, an ad's about to start. I'm gonna snooze it for you guys because I'm a G. You guys can pay me after we hit TP. But after I hit this fucking trade, you're gonna watch that. You're gonna watch that ad all the way through for me. I don't even think that does. One brand, thank you for following me, bro. And Boom Flocka, hell yeah, bro. Thank you. You're a G. Thank you, guys. Come on, don't be doing all that shit. Get up. Yo, Steph, just got in your mentor Discord a week ago, and I'm loving it. I've watched like every video. I'm only grinding, and will have funded by my B-Day. When's your birthday, bro? I'll have to get you one. Yo, what's good, Steph? Low-key woke up late, but the chart's not doing none yet. Well, they're about to be. They're about to be moving up in a minute. Wait. Oh, fuck, dude. Dollars looking a little sharp right now. I can't lie. It looks okay. Again, we're not looking for a break of all-time highs. We're just looking for a continuation of this. But dollar is getting a little bit up there, which can be a little bit of an issue, but with the amount of volume that's in the market right now, I think we can get this done. We'll see. If not, it's gonna be a quick. They're just gonna. If we don't hit TP here, they're gonna kill us quick, which I'm honestly into that. Like if this stops us out, it's gonna go. It's just gonna. Steph, at what point are you funding your own live account? How much should you have in your balance, or should I just rinse and repeat prop firms? I would recommend, honestly, just to stick with prop firms for a pretty long time. There's no reason to really jump into a live account unless you really got like 100K to dispose of. Because for the most part, again, if you think about gold is honestly a really good thing to trade with a live account because you don't need a lot of margin. But for the most part, like if you want to trade one mini on NQ with a live account, you need like $35,000 just in margin. So you just need to have it in your account. So I would just, for the most part, unless you really got like 100K aside, which again, that depending on where you come from, maybe you got a lot of money, but you don't know how to trade. Like that could also be an issue. Like I don't want you to just dump all your fucking money into that shit. So it's just, I would say for the most part, until you're like really like until you will know when it's time to start a live account. That is basically my answer to your question. What is TP at? Just a 1-to-1, 3.7. November 6th, my birthday. I just graduated high school, been grinding all summer. Hell yeah, bro. I'm good. Well, bro, I'm really appreciate you putting a lot of time into this, dude. That means a lot. Hope I can inspire you. I'd be missing your streams by 1 minute every time. Well, hopefully you missed it. Maybe it was for a sign because this shit might just fucking stop us out. So we'll see. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna make fun of you. This is like TP music, and we haven't got there yet, so I'm not really. Wait, hold on, I need to. Dude, this shit's so hard, bro. Hold on, I need to listen. Woo! Watch Steph's trades in class over listen to teacher? Oh, please don't do that. Oh my. Please? Please? This is a monumental point. We're seeing some cells come in. We gotta hold it. Please. I don't know if I'm liking this. I don't feel so good. News? Dude, like I literally just like there is no news. It's just a no, that's Bella. It's just a it's like a transition, it's just like a mix. But I love it, bro. Like this, even this one, bro. This doesn't look good, bro. Let me look at the dollar just ripping. I always catch the fucking ass end of the dollar, bro. I always do. Bella, really? Oh, I can't wait to drop her off today, bro. I'm dropping her off, and she'd never see me again. We're seeing buys. Okay, that's all. At this point, I'm happy. I'm happy. We saw buys in our. Ooh, whew. Shit. Oh shit! Look at that. Yo. Oh. Ugh. I'm about to put on Ninja by Young Thug, bro. Oh my god. Alright, no more music. All that celebrating for what, bro? Bro, this dude said, nah, we should celebrate, man. No, bro, you are... Yo, you're actually so funny, bro. This dude just wants me to give away phone accounts so fucking bad, bro. Okay, alright, we can turn the music back up. We're back in profit.
Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Yeah. Oh, you like that?
Oh, never mind. Sorry, we're back in drawdown. Music is not... You have to earn the music, okay? So we have to be in profit for Missy Beyond. But the amount of times motions in a short... Yeah, I mean, this is... Yo, keep that frick ass music off, bro. What's wrong with this music? Okay, well, it's not gonna be on because we're not. It's over, bro. GG. G freaking G, bro. What the fuck was that, by the way? Like, I don't even know what just happened, man. What a interesting trade, bro. What just happened? Like, bro, if this goes back up, like, I'm not even, like, if we don't get stopped down in this trade, I don't know. It's cooked. Yeah. We just got stopped. G freaking G, bro. Like, what just happened, bro? What? I don't even know, like, let's just go back to the shorter time frames really quick and just, like, okay, so we obviously get in. We see some buys off the rib. Looks good. We see sells back into our drawdown. We see it instantly picking back up. Pretty low volume buys. Sells start to come back in. We see buys in our drawdown again right here. So let me move that over. Buys in our drawdown, buys in our drawdown, buys in our drawdown, buys in our drawdown. Big move up. Huge sells. Low volume sells. We finally find a floor. We buy up. Huge rip. Huge rip. This looks amazing. We noticed and we understood there was going to be buys in this area. We see them come in. Full effect. Huge volume comes in. We pick it up. I wouldn't even see a low volume, just establishing in this area and then just completely inversing, seeing some buys back up, completely inverses, falls off a fucking cliff, buys come in, off our drawdown, rips to the grave. I mean, wow. Just, we got stuck up on the previous high. Who knew that this would be our downfall? Not the 4,000 level that, is extremely, sentimental. This is the first time we've ever gone around 4,000. No, 4,004. 4,004 is where we draw the line of, oh, yo, bro, that's too high, man. We got to go back down. So I guess that's where I got it wrong. 4,004 should have been the area I should have fucking marked out because all of a sudden that's a fucking big deal. But 4,000? Nah. No, we don't, bro. That's not a psychological level at all, bro. That's just, dude, it's just 4,004, bro. Dude. How did you take longs into 4,004, bro? That is, bro. Wow. Just so rookie by you. Well, that's a loss. Undefeated week ended pretty quickly. Wow, that was short-lived. Good news is, I didn't take it on all of my accounts because I'm obviously locked out of my trade accounts, but I only got semi-fucked is basically how I'm trying to cope with this. Yeah, not looking like I'm a trade today. Well, I wish I would have said the same thing. That 1 hour looking good, man. On what? The 1 minute's not looking too good. 1 hour's looking horrendous on gold. I mean, we need to come down a little bit more. Biggest issue with this trade, honestly, was just the dollar. If we we got into this trade at, let me see, 956. Look at the dollar basically right off our entry. So 956 right here is where we entered in. And then we just saw pretty much the opposite of gold, dollar just rip up. So obviously when the dollar rips up, gonna be pretty hard for gold to also push up. The reason why I was pretty confident seeing it was just because how high volume is right now. Catching 3.5 points was pretty easy to do. You know, we were seeing those quick moves. We obviously had an 8-point stop. If we were to initially be in this full size, we would have got stopped out of it. So I guess I'm happy with where our stops were originally. But mainstay with this reason why we got into this trade. We wanted to see a break above 4,000 after breaking underneath it. Let me move this over a little bit for you guys. We obviously broke underneath 4,000 right here. Buy it up really strong. I think we would all agree we found a little bit of a floor right here. Big push up, broke above 4,000, which is huge. Today was the first day we've ever been over 4,000. Then we see this nice retest in, and like, dude, this is A plus for me. Look at this 2-minute candle right here, and we got on a little bit late, but just ignore that. Look at this 2-minute candle. This is top tier for me, bro. This is like, only thing is, I wish this would have been like the third candle. I wish this would have been like consolidation, then this candle being printed. I like to usually see 3 retracements before, like 2 sometimes gets a little bit iffy. But again, I still would have taken this trade regardless. We saw those buys come in right off of 4,000, literally to a T, close back above the EMA, super bullish candle. Looking for, again, the best part about this was our stop loss was in a spot where we could actually have a TP where we're not above all-time highs. You know, we're not asking this to break all-time highs here. We're just looking for 3 points. And again, looking at the volume of every candle, we're seeing, you know, 6 points right there, 5 points right here. Even this little candle right here was 2 points. Like, volume was definitely enough for us to still, like, 3.5 points is a lot. Like, that was a big loss we just took. But in the same aspect, it was very small for today's PA. Like, at night, this would have taken like probably an hour. So yeah, it was just really good trade. I just wish this was a little bit slower of a retest. You know, it obviously kind of forced my hand. You have to get in at this candle close, which we got a little bit late, but right off of that candle close, super good. Like, this looks amazing. At this point, again, I still would be in this trade. That candle obviously rejecting the 4,004 because, you know, my bad for not assuming that that's the strongest level in the history of the fucking game. But candle consolidating, breaks underneath the EMA here. This candle, I mean, pretty telltale, not looking too hot for us. And then boom, just falls off a cliff. Really solid, like, again, really good trade. Just price action, just kind of getting a little caught up at all-time highs. That's totally expected. And now we're kind of just falling off a cliff here. We can see how we hold this low, you know, because obviously if we do start to buy off of this low again, it's pretty strong for a push up. But I'm not going to be looking for longs until we're probably above 4,004 because holy fuck, 4,004 is just the greatest and the most all-powerful level in the history of the fucking sport. So trading as a sport, I need to put that on a t-shirt. We were kind of seeing this is kind of exactly what I want to see out of gold. We have this kind of zone right through the middle of our price action today. Looking at this zone right through the middle of our price action, we have a previous low here. I want to see buys like this, and then I want to see the push up. So on gold, we already have our low right here. I want to see buys off this, and then the push up. Same exact PA actually. So this one's a little bit more ahead. Only thing is, like, do I really want to trade in this NQ price action? This does not look really good at all. I just don't know if I want to trade gold after this because of what it just did to me, man. That was rude, straight up. So, I don't know. I'll entertain NQ for a minute. We can see if we can to scrape something off it. Oh, dude, look at that PA, bro. I can't. How am I supposed to? These wicks just gonna cost me an account? Exactly. Like that's a great. There you go. Like that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, do I really just want to keep trading in this, man? Like, we just took a pretty big loss on a really good trade. How am I supposed to keep trading after that? What does that tell you? More than anything is I need you to look at that and say, okay, if I'm taking an A+ setup, and of course, you're not going to win every single good trade you take, but I would consider that entry that we took like an 8 out of 10. The only thing that would have made it a 10 would be a little bit more consolidation before we got our entry. That's the only thing. I feel like it was a little rushed, but once that candle forms, you have to take the trade. So it's not our fault. But for the most part, like, if I'm taking a trade like this and we get stopped out of it, knowing me and how I like to trade, every time I see these trades, usually if they do play out, price action's good because everything that I did to get into that trade usually means I should be seeing a pretty good outcome from it. Now, I'll honestly say, you know, for the most part, like, we saw buys on our drawdown, we waited and got our entry, like, everything was good, but we got stopped out. So how, like, that was like an 8 out of 10. Meaning, going forward, I'm going to need to take, if I do take another 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10 trade, like, and I just lost an 8 out of 10, like, how likely am I to make money on that? Like, it can't be high, So it's just like, I don't know. I might just call it, bro. Price action doesn't look too ideal. I would say gold still looks like my go-to. Maybe just higher time frame stuff. Obviously, like I'm gonna look back at this and we're gonna be up on the day, so it's just like gold's just gonna be ripping. The dollar really is what's kind of holding me back right now. It's pushing up to high of day though, which could be strong. But for the most part, I think again like this 4,000 area, as long as we're above this zone right here, this is so huge for me. If you guys like to trade gold, definitely mark out this area right here because this is a super strong 4,000 level. We've seen big buys, big sells off it. That's why I was so confident to take a trade off of this because look at these buys and sells off there. It's actually sells. Look at how strong we've held underneath this. Once we broke above, retested it, proved buyers were here. Dude, this had no problem going 3 points on us, man, even up to here. So that just sucks to see, but it was a good trade. So I'm not mad, but definitely if you guys are looking to trade gold, longs above 4,000, that's where you need to be. So anything underneath this, do not take. This area, do not fuck with. You guys see it's been very rangy inside here. Only look for longs above 4,000, and I'm sure you'll be just fine targeting this high around 40.10. So hook me up with a Tradeify account. I'll do a giveaway tomorrow. I don't have any codes yet. And plus, again, I don't have my Tradeify. I'm not even trading on my Tradeify accounts right now. So I'm just kind of. You could have switched positions and been up a bag. Not gonna lie. What do you mean switch positions? Like, like that's like, dude, that's not that. No, like you can't. I can't just get in shorts when I get stopped out. Like that's not. That's not. That's not. No. But I guess you're right. Hindsight 2020. Maybe I should have just taken fucking shorts. Maybe I should have seen this bullish candle right here and just jumped in shorts, because I know that that's just how this is moving. I was down 1,700 on my top step, funded up and down all morning, back at 0, so I can't complain. Good for you, bro. Yeah, I'm slightly down on these accounts today. I mean, I'm down like $600 per account, 650. It is what it is, man. Little crazy day, but I guess on the Tradeify accounts, those are like my children right now, so pretty solid day. I'm sorry, guys. It was a good trade. I'm really happy with it. If you guys go back and look at that, again, up to the hindsight 2020, get rid of all of that. Looking at the candle entry itself, I'm really happy with it. I think we took a good trade. Just got stopped out. It's part of the game, man. You cannot, on days like this, I know it's so hard to not be just down all day. And, like, I know those emotions you feel, and it sucks, and it's the worst. You just walk around all day just thinking about that trade, bro. Like, when you look at the trade like this, before anything happened, you see the entry. I already walked you through everything I was looking at going into it. You can't be mad, bro. This is what I've done to get me here. Everything was fine. The entry, again, it was slightly rushed, but it wasn't me making that decision. It was the price action. It kind of rushed me, but when you get this entry, you just got to take it, man. So, like, how I like to trade, my style, this was A+ for me. The fact that I could pair a EMA retracement with a 4,000 supply and demand level, I'm taking that every time. So again, we took it, and that's what we did. We got stopped out. It's whatever. Price action was not ideal. Even if the right idea was shorts here, the price action was not good. In price action still, it's okay. But again, I should have factored that in, the fact that we're at all-time highs. We're just going to consolidate and chop and be weird, but whatever. We'll be live tomorrow. I would really appreciate you guys pulled up. Took a loss. Kind of sucks, but hopefully we'll be right back at it and, make it right back. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Being new, should I expect to lose money for a year before getting some wins, trying to mentally prepare myself? It could be a year, it could be 3, it could be 5, it could be 6 months, so it's just like, don't get into it with that, like, oh, if I just do this for a year, I'll be like, 366 days, you'll fucking wake up and you'll be profitable. Like, it's not like that, but definitely just kind of, just be ready to weather the storm, because it's going to be rough. But again, it's just a process, man, just like everything else. Do I try to get at least 200 for one of my 5 days? I would say, I don't know, bro. I would honestly say no right now. I'm not going to recommend you to do that, but if you want to do it, go for it. NQSPA, wow. I'm just going to delete this off my watch list at this point, dude. That is fucking horrendous. Yeah, it sucks, man, but good trade. Good trade. That's all I can do. That's all I've been put on this earth to do, is take good trades. Doesn't matter if they hit or not, for the most part, over a big period of time. We'll be chilling. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Sorry, I'm sad, man. I'm sad. I hate taking losses, but Just how the game goes. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Be there. Say what's up.